Lady Lily back with another video, and this is an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing in a very long time, so yeah, you're gonna do the unboxing with me. So how about that? So it came in this big box. I was surprised that this box was so darn big. I'm like, I was expecting something much smaller, but let me get this open. Yeah, I was not expecting this big box, but that just let me know that they were considerate in how they pack this item. So almost open. Alrighty. Oh, all this paper. So this is what I got. Came in this packaging. I might keep this bag to store some in. This plastic bag, I mean. And in case you was wondering, I got the CISE bag. That's the collection. And it's a Protect Black People bag. I've been eyeing this for a while. So which one did I get? Take a wild guess. What color do you think it is? I'll give you a few minutes as I try to pull this open. Let's try to. You think I got pink, black, brown, green, tan? I got the green. And I must say they did a thing with this wrapping, I must say. Came in that box, so I guess it wouldn't get squished. Came in that bag that protected, and even this paper and wrapping. So let's get this off and take a look. So I got the Protect Black People tote. How fitting as we're getting ready to head into Black History Month. And I just admired this tote from afar. It was between this tote and the Teflon bag. And it was just easier to attain this one, and I like the message. But looking at this is a good quality material. I'm feeling this. This is really good quality. It's sturdy. This company, CISE, is black owned. They house out of Los Angeles, California. And inside we got more stuff. And so like I said, they really packed this bag carefully, so that it wouldn't get squished, so it wouldn't lose its shape. So inside here is the card, and they have the QR codes for return and exchange policy, contacting them, product and quality care, website, and mobile application. So got that card. It's a little hang tag here, which is really thick and quality material, I must say there. And inside there is the strap to the bag, which will come in handy on days you want to carry this on your shoulder. So let's share the inside, shall we? So this is how it looks on the outside. It say protect black people on the front. In the back it's a smooth surface there. At the bottom you got 6 feet. And this is how the sides look. In the inside, it's a little hole. You have one zipper pocket here. One zipper pocket here. And that's pretty much it. There are 2 D-rings in here. And that's to take the strap and clamp it on. And that's the strap. Strap is very sturdy. And this is how it looks. I'm probably gonna carry this. Like I said, I've been eyeing this for a while. I first saw it a year ago, almost a year ago, when I saw my cousin had the bag. She got in the green as well. And I just seen her recently out, you know, and she was carrying this bag. And I'm like, wow, it's been a year and that bag has really held up. I actually wanted to get it in black, but it looks like it's sold out in this type of black. That he did have the black patent leather one, but I really wasn't interested in the black patent leather one. I didn't want to get pink because I felt like that pink was too light. They had another type of pink, but I felt like that was too loud. So I felt like the green was like the next thing. It would have been the green or the tan. So definitely looking to carry this. Like, you know, I said, rooting for everybody black, getting ready for Black History Month. So this is definitely going to be my go-to bag. Not just for Black History Month, but just, I feel like this finna be a staple. It's a good size. Like I said, I think the Terraflower, is that how you pronounce it? I was interested in getting that bag. But I feel like, you know, you had to wait till they drop those bags or buy them off somebody. And I wanted to buy it off somebody on, is it Manicari? But, you know, they were slow dragging and something happened and I ended up not getting it. So I was like, well, let me just go over here and order this one. So this came super fast, like super fast. I just ordered this, kid you not, yesterday morning. Didn't do overnight, didn't do no express, just normal shipping. I did that yesterday morning. I was like, that was Wednesday. And it came today. So it came like literally the next day. I was thinking at first they were saying Friday, but it came like literally the next day. So I got it today, which will be the next day from the day I placed the order. So it was damn near like overnight. So shipping, speedy shipping, good quality, decent price points. You can get this bag under $200. If you want something smaller than this, they do have the smaller bags. So those, I saw the smaller ones, they will serve me no good because everybody know me, know I like to stuff it and go. So yeah, I'm excited to carry this. And yeah, I'll check back in and do a follow-up to see how it goes. But yeah, and plus I'm learning not to stuff my bags. I'm really working to strive to not stuff my bags. So yeah. But that's it. That's all. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Be blessed. Peace out. Happy Black History Month, by the way.